Imagine you're playing the ultimate video game, S-tier graphics, but you don't know the controls and there is no tutorial. You can see things moving and stuff's happening, but you're just clicking random buttons like a noob. This game is our universe, and physics is the instruction manual. It's the study of matter and energy that makes stuff move and change. And it's the most fundamental science, because every other field either has to follow the rules of physics or just get banned. Now humans didn't just wake up one day and figure it out. We started like every confused player ever, by guessing. Thousands of years ago, people in Egypt and Mesopotamia were looking up at the sky and trying to figure out why this giant ball of fire shows up every morning and then disappears every night, which, to be fair, is a valid concern. Back then they called it natural philosophy, which is basically, oh, we've got some opinions, but we didn't test them. Just take it or leave it. Aristotle, a famous thinker, thought everything is just earth, water, air, and fire. Probably watched too much Avatar, I think. And he also said objects move because they feel like they're going home. Fire goes up because it belongs in the sky. Rocks fall down because they miss the ground. It's their natural place, he said. The problem? None of it was actually tested, which, as it turns, is kind of important. All this changed with the scientific revolution when Isaac Newton showed up like an absolute gigachad and said, "Relax, I got it." While others before struggled with the basic controls, Newton was playing like he had reloaded a save file. He used maths and science and went on a rampage of scientific discoveries. Calculus, laws of motion, laws of gravitation. Are you not satisfied? Take Newton's law of cooling. What? You still want more? Color spectrum of light. Newton almost soloed classical physics and created the first comprehensive tutorial for other players to understand the game. His guides explained why apples fall and how Beckham bends the ball. And as other players got good, they published their own guides. Electricity, magnetism, optics. We used them to build bridges, fly planes, and for a while, we thought we had the game figured out. But then about 100 years ago, we noticed some glitches in the game. When we looked at tiny stuff like atoms and things that move at speed of light, the old guide stopped working like a broken patch. We discovered that at tiny scale, particles act like waves and space-time can bend and stretch. This led to modern physics, featuring mind-bending stuff like quantum mechanics, and we still don't understand it. It's like some anime magic. But these glitches are the only reason you have your smartphone and electronics. And here's the interesting part. Physics is about patterns. And when you connect the dots, you discover new combos. We used to think electricity and magnetism were totally different, but they are just two sides of the same coin called electromagnetism. And now, physicists are trying to create one final, beautiful theory of everything. The ultimate tutorial that connects every single game mechanic into one. Players even forged a new weapon, string theory. We thought we had it, but it wasn't enough. We were wrong. And we are still discovering new chapters in the manual. So next time when you look at a rainbow, remember, you're not looking at just random pixels. You're watching the laws of nature in action. Anyway, subscribe for a level up.